Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix no eligible Apple Pay cards were found in your wallet. If you're using iPhone or iPad and you're trying to add a Apple card or any card in your Apple wallets and you're facing this type issue, so let's see how can you fix that. So basically, it happens when you are trying to add a card in your Apple wallet, but your country on your Apple ID or on your iPhone is doesn't match. So let's see how can you fix that. There's a simple way to fix this. You have to open your settings. Very first you have to double check your network connection. You can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with your network settings. Then go back, open your general settings, go for VPN and device management and try to disconnect with your VPN if you are connected. And after that go for language and region. Select region and select the country or region in which you're living. So for example, I'm going to select this one, and once you have selected, you just have to go back. So go back from here and you have to select the same country or region in your Apple ID. So open your App Store from here, then tap on the profile icon here, select your Apple ID from here, and now you just have to change your country or region here, but very first you have to verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password. And once you have entered your password, you'll get at this type screen here. Just select the country or region option, then scroll down and look for your own country or region or the region which you have selected in your iPhone. So just select same one. Here's that. Just select that. Then tap on continue option. Then tap on agree in the top right corner. And now you have to add your payment method here. You can add your payment method here or you can add the payment method with same steps in your Apple Wallet. So once you have added there your payment method or your card will be automatically added to your Apple Wallet, or you will get a simple 1 or 2 steps to add that. Then tap on done option once you have done, and your card will be successfully added. Or if you're facing any problem in this issue, so you can try to contact with Apple support team if your issue doesn't fix. So you have to open your support app, or you can use Apple Support for web. And here, just select iPhone from here. Select more option. Select Apple Wallet, and from here just select get more help, then select call us. Now you will find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get actual help from there, and this way your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.